All right, picture this. You generate a remote on your Xhorse Key Tool Plus. The process finishes successfully. Everything looks perfect, and then you check your points balance. Nothing. Zero change. No bonus points added. If that's happened to you, you're not alone. And today on Baabji Motors, we're breaking down exactly why this happens and how to fix it properly. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and I welcome you back to Baabji Motors, your trusted hub for real-world automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and technician-level solutions. Today's video is all about the Xhorse Key Tool Plus Generate Remote No Points Added solution, a problem that confuses even experienced locksmiths and technicians. What makes this issue tricky is that, most of the time, the remote generation itself works perfectly, but the reward system behind it doesn't behave the way users expect. And that's where the misunderstanding starts. Before we go deeper, here's a quick and important disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Everything shared here is meant to guide technicians, learners, and enthusiasts. We follow fair use principles, and all trademarks belong to their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer instructions and local regulations when working on vehicles and security systems. Also, quick heads up, the tools you see me using in this video, including the Xhorse Key Tool Plus and compatible remotes, are linked in the description with my affiliate tags. If you choose to grab the same tools, it supports Baabji Motors at no extra cost to you and helps us keep making practical, experience-based content like this. Now here's the big question I want you thinking about as we go through this video. If the remote generation is successful, why does the Xhorse system sometimes refuse to add points? And more importantly, how do you make sure you never lose points again? Stick with me till the very end, because I'll share one important insight most users completely miss. Let's break it down clearly and point to point. First, understand how the Xhorse point system actually works. Points are not given every time you generate a remote. They are awarded only under specific conditions, and missing even one of those conditions means you get nothing, even if the remote works perfectly. The most common reason for no points being added is the remote itself. The Xhorse system only awards points the very first time a brand new, genuine Xhorse universal remote is generated. This includes wired universal remotes, wireless remotes, super remotes, and Xhorse smart keys. If the remote has been generated before, even once, it is no longer eligible for points. That means reused remotes, previously unlocked remotes, or test remotes will never give you points again. Now here's where many users get caught off guard. Dedicated or model-specific remotes do not give points at all. For example, a Toyota-specific XM Series smart key or other fixed model remotes are excluded from the reward system. These keys are designed for compatibility, not for earning points. So if you're generating one of those and waiting for points, you'll be waiting forever. Second, let's talk about something surprisingly simple that many people overlook. After generating the remote, the points are not always collected automatically. Sometimes, the Xhorse system requires manual confirmation. Once the generation is complete, go back to the home page of the Key Tool Plus and tap the red More button. This step triggers the bonus point collection process. Skipping this step is like earning money, but forgetting to open your wallet. And yes, it feels a bit like doing all the work and then forgetting to sign the attendance sheet at the end. Third, if you still don't see points, you need to check the point record directly inside the tool. On your Xhorse Key Tool Plus, navigate to Special Functions, then VVDI Remote Functions, and then Query Remote Usage Record. This section shows whether the remote was recognized as eligible and whether points were credited or not. Here's where things get very clear. Different remotes offer different point values. A wired universal remote gives you 25 points. A wireless or super remote gives you 40 points. And Xhorse Smart Key gives you 60 points. High-value specialty keys, such as VVDI Mercedes-Benz B keys, can offer up to 200 points. These values are predefined by Xhorse and can be checked in advance inside the points system section of the VVDI software, especially in the Mercedes-Benz module, before you even generate the key. If the usage record shows the remote type correctly, but no points were added, it almost always means the remote was not new or had already been generated before. Another important thing to remember is internet connectivity and account login. Your Key Tool Plus must be logged into a valid Xhorse account and connected to the internet at the time of generation. Points cannot sync if the device is offline or logged out, even if the remote generation succeeds locally. So here's the real takeaway from Baabji Motors. The Xhorse Key Tool Plus Generate Remote No Points Added issue is not a bug in most cases. It's a system rule misunderstanding. Xhorse rewards first-time use of eligible universal remotes only, requires manual point collection in some cases, and records everything in a usage log for transparency. Now let's circle back to the question I asked earlier. Why does the remote work, but points don't show up? The answer is simple. Because points depend on the remote type, its usage history, and proper collection steps, not just successful generation. My personal opinion, once you understand how the Xhorse ecosystem is designed, the system actually makes sense. It rewards genuine usage, discourages reuse, and keeps things fair across users. But Xhorse really should make this clearer for technicians, because losing points feels a lot worse than losing a socket from your toolbox. Here's a quick fun fact before we wrap up. Those Xhorse points you earn are not just numbers. They directly unlock future functions, special remotes, and advanced programming options, which means managing points smartly can actually save you real money over time. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever generated a remote and thought your points disappeared? Drop your experience in the comments, and let's help other technicians avoid the same mistake. If this video saved you time, frustration, or points, show your support by hitting like and pushing this video toward 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Hype it up if you relate, and make sure you're subscribed to Baabji Motors so you never miss real-world diagnostic solutions. Also, consider joining the channel membership to directly support the work we do here and help us bring even deeper tool-level content for professionals. Don't forget, the exact tools and remotes used in this video are linked in the description with affiliate tags. Picking them up through those links directly supports the channel and keeps Baabji Motors moving forward. Thanks for watching till the very end. Keep learning, keep upgrading your skills, and, as always, happy diagnosing.